today's video I have the April Look Fantastic box. I can't wait to get in here. Hi guys, so here is a sneak peek for you. It feels very light, very light. Right guys, so there is a sneak peek for you. If you are interested in getting this box for yourself, it's £15 per month. I'll leave the link and everything down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link, is there a code? I don't know if it's a code or you just click the link, but you will get £5 off your first box, which is a great saving. The longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it is monthly as well. But yeah, let's get digging. I have found the little card with the QR code on. This edit is called Express Your True Beauty. I was panicking there because I was like, oh my god, it's not in the box, but it is. So we're going to scan this if it works. It's black, so it should works. Yay! So yeah, we're going to go through everything and see exactly what we've got. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand CRA and it's a velvet lip liner. Oh, let's make that right and bigger because my eyesight is absolutely atrocious. This is a full size and it just says it's a classic lip liner with a smooth velvety formula which delivers a high pigmented, long-lasting matte finish and to enhance and emphasize your pout. Feel the power behind the pencil with the shade Cocoa. The classiest of them all. Okay, cool. If it's anything like the shade of the box there, I think I'm gonna like it. I love CRA London. Their makeup is absolutely fantastic. Ooh, I like the look of that straight away. How much product do we get in for a full size? Okay, so that's how much we get in. And I like how it's retractable because I'm a lazy girl and I don't want to be using sharpeners if I can get away with it or not. But yeah, I'm going to do a swatch on my hand and I'm also going to try it on my lips as well. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it all over my lips. I'm going to do the line and then fill it in. Right, so there it is on the lips. I love the colour. I think the colour is fantastic. It's not as soft and velvety as I thought it was going to be putting it on, but it was still very comfortable applying it. And just by the feel of it, you can kind of tell that this is going to last a while, which is great. And then that is just a little swatch on my skin for you. But that shade is absolutely gorgeous. That is right up my street. Love it. The second product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Korres and this is Greek yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. There's 20 mils in here, making it a deluxe size, and it has a value of £8. It just says it's a soothing and rejuvenating mask which uses probiotic technology to rebalance the skin's tone and texture. The superfood and probiotic blend work to strengthen the skin's natural protective barrier, reinforcing the moisture seal while repairing and soothing the skin's surface. That sounds great. Yeah, you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, use it 2 to 3 times a week. That sounds lovely. Is this sealed? It is. I'm keeping that sealed, guys. Definitely. That's going to go in my mask drawer. And I keep saying this every time. I need to actually sit down and start doing mask videos because my face mask collection is beyond a joke. It's getting bigger and bigger. So yes, I'm really going to have to give myself a kick up the bum. Third item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Pi and it's a light work cleansing oil. There's 10 mils in here, making it a deluxe mini, and it has a value of £10. It says the delicate rosehip cleansing oil works to gently cleanse and refresh the complexion, effectively lifting away build-up without stripping it of essential moisture. It's suitable for sensitive skin and it removes stubborn SPF, makeup and daily dirt without irritation. Massage lightly onto dry skin and then rinse with water. Do not rub. It's a smooth, sting-free process from start to finish. fabulous, fabulous. I love a cleansing oil. I think they're absolutely amazing. I'm not going to squirt any out or anything, I'm just smelling it. Smells lemony. Okay, cool, interesting, can't wait to try that out. Fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox, and this is the Game Changer hair mask. This is a deluxe size, it's 30 mils, and it has a value of £10.50. It says the ultimate leave-in hair treatment to transform dull, damaged or dry hair. Created with 96% natural formula of matcha green tea, ginseng and kelp seaweed. It improves hair texture and adds strength and shine. Deeply conditioning for hair and scalp. A blend of argan, coconut, avocado and hazelnut oils to lock in nourishment. Use as a wash out treatment overnight or finishing cream. Apply to wet hair, brush through and leave for as long as you want. That actually sounds brilliant. I love something that it's multitasking, so that's really, really good. Have I tried this one before? I don't think I've tried this one. Is it the 3-in-1 I've tried before? I think this is different. But yeah, you know we're going to try that out. I love hair products. The fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Collistar, and it is a Talasso firming scrub. There's 70 grams in here, making it a deluxe size, and it has a worth of £7.80. It just says a scrub that's suitable for all skin types and leaves skin velvety smooth. A blend of sea salt and red Hawaiian salt and powdered cherry stone exfoliates and detoxifies the skin, while cherry and jojoba oils and Padina pavaronica, I've said that wrong, oh my goodness, I can't pronounce half of this stuff, algae help firm, tone and hydrate. I love a good scrub. Is this sealed? I think it is, yeah. I can't even smell it in there, but I'm not going to open that, but just by the colour, I love the colour of it. Oh, I love body scrubs. The sixth item we have is this. So this is by the brand Nails Inc, and it is a nail varnish. It's 10 mils, so this is one of their deluxe sizes. It has a value of £11. It just says the long-lasting, quick-drying polish reveals ultra-rich pigment in just 2 swipes. Brought to you in a shade of Bear With Me. It'll give you the ultimate pamper night vibes and maybe even make you run late for the weekend plans or cancel them altogether. Yeah, I really like my nail varnishes. I'm more into gel polishes at the moment, but I've started putting a gel polish top coat on top of the nail varnish to help it last longer. We're getting a lot of nail varnishes in across the beauty boxes, aren't we, really? But I must say I do like that colour. That colour is nice. That goes with the lip really, really nicely. I love the smell of nail varnish. Okay, so it is a nice colour. I'm just not excited about it, if I'm 100% honest. So just looking further through the edit booklet, and it's actually got some other products in there that you could possibly get. Obviously, I've went through mine. Another product that you could get in your box is the Incredible Show the Bunny mask. It's a face mask. That's that brand, isn't it? Nails Inc. It's really weird because I was saying the other day I'd really love some other products by that brand. And there's a face mask here which I haven't got. I've ended up getting a polish, but never mind. And then the other product that you could possibly get in your box is by Mio, and it's Clear Away Body Cleanser, 30 mils. Okay, but yes, and there's something else here that well, it's not on the edit card, but we have a little freebie in the box. We have food. So let's have a look. Ooh, it's by Mallow and Marsh, and it's a vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. I'm not on a diet, I'm calorie counting at the moment. It's got I need it. I'm looking at it now and I need it. For anybody who is counting calories like me, it has the calorie on there of what it is, and there's 70 calories in this little bar. this is what she looks like. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, it feels and tastes so naughty to eat, but it's only 70 calories. Awesome. Guys, that's so good, so good, and gone. Right, so this is the April Look Fantastic box, and this edit is called Express Your True Beauty. What do you think? Personally, I think we've got a nice array of products in here. I like the fact that we do get 6 products. That's definitely a bonus, thank goodness, because there's a lot of deluxe sizes in this. I love the fact I got a little sweet treat in my box as a little extra. That gets a massive thumbs up from me. I needed that bit of sugar, oh my god. But yeah, I mean, that lip pencil, I love it. I absolutely love it. As much as I'm so bored of getting the nail varnishes, I actually really love that colour, and like I said before, it goes with the lips perfectly. Yeah, that hair mask is a decent size, get a few goes of that, so that's absolutely perfect. The body scrub, I can't wait to pop that open and get scrubbing. But yeah, face mask, as I say, there's just a whole array of products there. I think it's a nice little mixture, a bit of everything really. As I say, it's just very small sizes. But overall, I am happy with this box, and I can't wait for next month's box, so gets a thumbs up from me. If you are interested in getting this box for yourself, click the link down below. You'll get £5 off your first box. If you already get this box, what did you get in your box? Did you get the same products as me, or did you get the other ones that I mentioned? Do you like what's in it? Just comment it all down below, and yeah, we'll have a little chat about it. Yeah, but that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.